I just completed a program by LetItGoDiet.com of eating clean for 3 weeks. All right. Welcome to Let It Go Diet 21-Day Planner. We are on day 16. 16. Hard fact numbers here. I am down 10 to 13 pounds in 16 days. The thing I want to report the most is my pain level. My pain level was an 8 out of 10 17 days ago. 8 out of 10. For the past, 5 days I've been reporting 3 out of 10, 4 out of 10. Today it's a 2. A 2. Subscribe to the channel below, like the video. This is the most important message today for you to revive your body. This morning I had an epiphany and I was thinking, what is the meaning of Let It Go Diet? Yes, we do it for 21 days. We got a buzzing noise outside. Hopefully it doesn't interfere too much. We're keeping it real. I'm a real person delivering a real message. I'm really going through 21 days of this Let It Go Diet planner. I have 3 meetings today, so I can't stop for that. And I also know I need to adjust today's breakfast just a little bit because of my schedule today. I know I can't get to lunch until a little bit later. Here's the epiphany. This is not just 21 days. This is my 3rd time doing the diet. The first time I lost 31 pounds, 19 pounds. I think this time I should get 15. Because my starting point, my body fat point, is always different. Why do I always go back? And that's okay if you do. It's fine to go back to normal eating afterwards. But this time around I'm thinking, what's my best me? How can I continue this afterwards? Is it just 21 days? This should be a lifestyle change. You're learning new food groups. Here's my question. How do you identify yourself to your own self? When you look in the mirror and you're unhappy, do you sit there and say, you know what? I'm 65. I'm supposed to be out of shape and overweight. I'm in my 40s. I'm not what I was when I was in my 20s. Or if you're 20 or 30 and you're saying, you know what? I've been overweight since I've been a kid. Some of us have genetic reasons, maybe why our weight is where it is because of other health reasons. Trust me when I still tell you, your eating choices, the way that you're eating, are contributing to your weight. You're not being your best you. Don't use hereditary and genetics as a sole reason. You're better than that. When you look in that mirror, how are you identifying with yourself? Don't succumb to the world. This is the best I'll be. Eating bad choices. I grew up in the fast food era. Today when I go to the grocery store, the healthy meals are already prepared for me. Why can't I do it myself? Are they really healthy? Is oil in there? Is pasta in there? Are they telling me that this is healthy and I'm paying top dollar for it? Take control of your weight. Take control of being your best. I know you can do it. You just got to get into the mindset that, you know what, I'm not succumbing to bad choices. I'm going to eat healthy. I've changed here in 16 days. This is my confidence. Go back and watch my first videos from the first few days. You'll see a difference. I know it. Okay. Anti-inflammatory anti-inflammatory smoothie has turmeric in it. Okay, turmeric is good. Here's our nutritional tidbit. Turmeric has powerful anti-inflammatory properties. Research suggests turmeric may also help prevent cancer. Trust me when I say go back and watch those old videos. I haven't done it yet, but I know when I do, I'll see someone who's in a better mood, who's moving better, who looks a little thinner. That's going to be you. It's going to be you. Go to LetItGoDiet.com, download the book. It's going to maybe be a little fee, or just watch all the videos on YouTube. I'm doing this honestly. I do want to change people. I want them to know that you are what you eat. It's amazing. It's amazing just to change my food choices and portion control. Remember not to eat everything. Remember not to eat everything, even from the Let It Go diet. If you get full, stop. That's the critical thing. Put the rest in the freezer. Go 23 days because you have 2 extra days of leftovers. All right, today's smoothie, anti-inflammatory smoothie. Ingredients are 1 cup of pineapple, half cup of strawberries frozen, I have fresh, a half teaspoon of turmeric powder. I also have turmeric root. Listen, this is why my pain is better. I'm throwing that in more. It's helping. 2 tablespoons of protein, 1 to 2 cups of water. So why do I have a banana? Why do I have coconut flakes? Why do I have pepper? Well, the pepper is simple. You always want to put a dash of pepper in when you're using turmeric. It helps metabolize the turmeric, so it gives you that anti-inflammatory properties. I'm not going to go into the biological reasons. You can Google it, but that is the secret. Pepper and turmeric go together to help break down the necessary metabolism your body needs to get rid of pain and inflammation. I'm also throwing a banana in because I have a long day before lunch. I have several meetings. It calls for 1 cup of pineapple. I'm going to go with 3/4 of a cup because I threw a banana in. A banana is an extra 100 calories. A cup of pineapple is 70. So if I take a 1/4 of a cup away there, I'm reducing some calories. Instead of going with a 1/2 cup of strawberries, I'm just going to go with 5. If they were chopped up, it might be a 1/2 cup. I'm also going to throw in, it calls for a teaspoon of turmeric powder. I'm not cutting short on that. To be honest, the turmeric powder has it gives the smoothie a nice, phenomenal taste. I'm also going to throw 1 inch of turmeric root and a dash of pepper. Doesn't need to be a lot. 2 scoops of the hemp protein, 2 tablespoons. And because I reduced the strawberries and I reduced the pineapples a little bit, that banana caloric intake is not going to offset it too much. And just a pinch, again, just a pinch of coconut. Just for flavor, kind of balance out the peppery taste of the turmeric. And last is a 1 to 2 cups of coconut water. I'm a little hyped up this morning because I have a meeting in a few minutes and then there's 2 more. And like I've said in other videos, but you know what? I am letting go of that stress in order to get this food in my body. And that's part of the Let It Go diet. Whether you stay amped up because of all the stuff you got to do, or you can remain calm and patient, which is a preferable choice, meditate on that. Just make sure you're eating clean. All right, let's blend this up and give it a taste. Alright, this is the anti-inflammatory smoothie. I put a bunch of turmeric in there. I believe it's going to taste fantastic. This one has no almond milk. This one uses coconut water. Remember what I said about how do you identify with yourself? That's the most important thing. Wake up and say, you know what? I'm an athlete. I deserve a great body. I'm a stellar businesswoman or businessman, and I deserve to present myself in the best ability that I can. If you got control of your business, control of your family, control of everything, take control of your eating. I know you can do it. Well, I'm not going to say what color this looks like, but you know what? It's like a safari brown, like a khaki pant color. I don't know why I'm going with that, but anyway, let's give it a taste. It's amazing. You would think with the turmeric and the black pepper, it would be super peppery. It's just super good. This is the Let It Go diet. Subscribe to the channel, like the video. I know you're going to make the commitment, finally, to eat clean for 21 days. I know you are. Follow the videos, get the book on letitgodiet.com. Peace.